Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese foam for milk tea. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. Make sure you have 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as condensed milk or powdered sugar. Having all your ingredients chilled will help achieve the perfect fluffy texture. Also, prepare a clean mixing bowl and an electric mixer or whisk for the best results. First, ensure your 2 ounces of cream cheese are slightly softened at room temperature for about 15 minutes. This makes it much easier to work with. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, beat the cream cheese in a clean bowl until it becomes completely smooth and lump-free. Then, slowly incorporate 2 tablespoons of milk, mixing until the cream cheese mixture is thin and creamy, forming a consistent base. Now, it is time to create that delightful foam. Gradually pour in 1 cup of cold, heavy cream and your 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener into the cream cheese mixture. Using your electric mixer, whip the ingredients on medium-high speed. Continue mixing until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can lead to a grainy texture. Your delicious cheese foam is now ready to enjoy. Gently spoon a generous layer of the creamy foam over your favorite chilled milk tea. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of matcha powder or a tiny pinch of sea salt to enhance the flavor profile. Serve it immediately to experience the fresh, rich, and slightly savory taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.